I live in Italy. Hey,
Hello, how are
how are
you?
you?
I'm fit as a fiddle.
You're fit as a fiddle. Okay.
Okay, so what about you?
I'm good.
Where do you live?
I live in Italy.
My favorite country is Italy, the Rome city.
Yeah.
Okay, I have
Where are
a
you from?
okay. Just a minute. I have a world map. I always see the area.
Oh, is it? That's nice.
Yeah.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh. Many Bangladeshi people are willing to go Italy for study as well as working purpose.
Okay.
Yeah,
So, you study now? Okay. What did you graduate in?
Bengali literature.
Literature.
Yeah. Okay. So like still, I'm trying to go Italy for working as well.
Do you know the language? Do you know Italian language?
Not, but if I want to go Italy, like I have to know Italian language because the government allow Italian language.
Yeah, because if you actually know the Italian language before you come to Italy, you can study in any Italian university for free.
Yeah. Just allow me to get free.
Yes,
It's
free
great.
education.
Free education. Yeah, I like it. I like it.
Yeah, you should learn Italian first. If you want to go to Italy, you must first learn Italian.
Okay, so I want to know about the education sector, education system of Italy. If you don't mind, like, tell me something.
The education system in Italy is very good. If you fail an exam, you can take the exam again up to 8 times a year.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. And what about like tuition?
There's
Right.
something called, you can get scholarship, and there's also something called ISEEU. Okay, if you show your family income and you come from a poor family income, for example, they will give you the lowest tuition rate according to your family income. I
Okay,
only paid one time 200 euro for my education in 1 year.
really? That's amazing.
Yes,
Yeah, so you are graduated or like,
graduated already.
okay, what is your major?
Masters in clinical psychology.
Psychology is related something psychology.
Masters in clinical, yeah, psychology basically, yeah.
Okay, that's great. Like, do you have any foreign friends?
Yes, I have foreign friends. I have many types of friends. It was nice to meet you, okay?